Hi there, my name is Zach Urness. I'm an outdoors writer with the Statesman Journal, and today I'm checking out the Little North Santiam Trail. Now this is a beautiful trail that's a short distance from Salem and so makes a really great day hike. It's open all year round, and so even right now when it's the middle of December, pretty freezing cold temperatures out here, you can still come out of here and enjoy seeing the ice on the river, a little bit of snow. So it's pretty accessible. It's accessible pretty much year round. Another cool thing that I like to do out here is hike and bike. And this is a one-way trail. It's 4.5 miles, and so I stash my bike on one end of the trail, go to the other trailhead, hike the 4.5 miles, jump on the bike, and then just ride back to my car. It's just a fun way to enjoy hiking and riding in the same day and get out and enjoy the scenery and fresh air. So gonna check it out today and see how it goes. The first step on the Little North Fork hike and bike is finding a good place to hide your bike at the upper trailhead near Shady Cove Campground off Forest Road 2207. After you've left your bike in a good spot, return to the lower trailhead in the small cluster of homes in the town of Elkhorn and start the hike. In less than 1 mile comes a small but powerful waterfall dropping off a ledge that can be easily reached by following a spur off the main trail. Beyond the waterfall, the trail continues along the Little North Santiam River, stopping at many nice viewpoints before gradually climbing uphill. So one of the really cool things about the Little North Fork Trail is that while it's mostly down in the canyon following the river, it does get up to some really high and spectacular viewpoints where you can kind of look down into the canyon from above and check out some of the surrounding mountains.